So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip this, grab a paper, dip it in soap. Just dry it up. Is Mother's mags and aluminum. I'm gonna use by hand first. Show you how to do it. I don't know. Just do it like that, whatever. I've never done this, so guys. So I guess we can do it like that. What comes black? Oh, look at this. Okay, so work black residue everywhere. So in the video, the guy said he did like 2 coats, I think. He did it twice. So we're gonna do it twice. We're adding everything. Screw it. So let me just do this by hand again. And then let's see the difference with the machine. I think the machine's better. Screw that. Let's try the machine now. I think you just stick it on top like that. Oh, it does. So whoa. Maybe I need to put chrome polish or something. This was expensive though. Guys, after passing it by hand and then with the machine, it's definitely shinier, but I think because it's aluminum, it's not like these are aluminum probably too, but it's not chrome, so I don't think that's why it'll stick out a lot. Guys, I just figured it out. So, look at this. You barely see a scratch, and look at that. So, when I see scratches like this, I'm not supposed to do it that deep. I'm supposed to go a little just to get the surface off. That's why this looks like that. And so this one, I figured it out compared to this one. Because this one, I was like shaving the metal. This, I was just like that. This one, I was doing it hard. So what I need to do is get the 120 and go soft. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is sand everything down 800, 1,000, 2,000. That's how I did everything. I did everything on this one. The whole rim was